These are press-on toenails. If I did not tell you, you would not know, okay? BT Art Box did their big one with these. These are officially now on Amazon, so I link them on my profile under my picture. Anytime I do this method, it lasts me 30 days plus, so I always go in with my cuticle cleanup tool, and I go ahead and clean up my cuticles. This just helps my nails to last longer, and then I go with my regular nail file and just kind of go over my nails. So I use some alcohol to just clean up everything, all that toe dust, and then I go in with my nail prep dehydrator. This is really good at drying out my toenails. So using my favorite glue, I go in and put the glue on the fake toenail and my toenail very liberally, and then I gently press down my toenail onto my toenail. I hold it down for 60 seconds and then let go. So the key to not getting bubbles, right? Anytime I rush, I get bubbles. Anytime I hold down the fake nail too hard on my real nail, I get bubbles. So make sure that you're gently pressing that nail down, and if you don't see any bubbles, you're in the clear. Then I go ahead and file my nails down just to make sure that they're looking all square and everything. Take some alcohol and clean it up. Then I go in with my base coat first, and then I cure that for 90 seconds. I go in with my builder gel polish and I cure that for 90 seconds. And then I go in with my top coat and I cure that for 90 seconds. And that's it. So there is no excuse for you to be walking around this summer with your toes not done. Invest in the material, especially if you're a DIY girly, and get it done.